everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to check time spent on Facebook. So for that, first of all, you open your Facebook application. Once you have been logged into your Facebook, you need to tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. From there, you need to tap upon the setting and privacy at the end of the screen. Tap on setting and privacy. There, tap upon the setting. Inside setting and privacy, you need to scroll down to the preference, and inside preference you will have the option of your time on Facebook. Currently there's something's wrong with my Facebook account. I don't know what that is, but if you tap on your time on Facebook, you will be able to see all the time that you have spent on Facebook on here. You will have all the activities that you have done on your Facebook as well, and the amount of time that you have spent doing all those things on Facebook. That is either liking your picture, going through the profile feeds, or other options. So this is where you will be able to find how to check time spent on Facebook, as Facebook will provide you the detailed information of how much time you have been spending on the Facebook application. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.